Pian. Bai, usteko tau, eta gero aldot berri eraman, gauza gehiago. bat dutxatzeko, increíble.
ve que se morir padre. Padre de cómo no, pues ahora sí.
Soy un hijo de puta, pero el primer día te dejo.
Like, what? It's 9:39 a.m. right now. I have to leave the house and know what the lecture is because I don't remember my schedule. Tomorrow I have to take all the hard mandatory courses like finance, this because there were courses like social media. It's literally 26 degrees right now and it was so hot. My laptop. It makes my so good. Sometimes you're allowed to take more than one non-business elective. Like every single asynchronous elective. The rest of the day, I was constantly checking my school's Sheila courses for an asynchronous note. And I also finally filled out and submitted the application form that my exchange school sent to you. It's funny. You can take this off.
Nemůžem karadovat. No.
Jeg vil begynde med at fortælle en glædelig nyhed i skolen. Skænket mig af guderne og farvetone i hendes leve. Tro mig. Er det klar?
Ja.
Går de allerede?
Familie Marco vil ikke lade mig ud af syne, men